This is our ingredient.
Yes, today at Big Bird's Kitchen we are going to be making whatever we feel like making.
Okay. Ingredients: knife, 2 things of butter, spoon that's wet, red, paper plate, some soap, water,
Very digestive. Do not eat.
mini meats,
And
cherries.
there's only 5 cherries on the plate. All right, so first, First, we're gonna start off with.
Oh, and a Wii remote.
What are we gonna be starting off with today?
The bread. Wait, where'd the potato go? And
A potato.
okay. First, we will be making anything we want.
Okay.
Anything on this.
Let's start with the potato. Are you mentally stable? I should title this video, how to make a potato.
Oh God, come on.
Let's take a 5-minute break. And afterwards, we'll cut this potato. And we're finally done with the potato, mashed potato soup. And what the crap is this?
It took so long.
It took like 2 minutes.
Next.
Yes. Some black cherries. That's not even, what is that? Is that a grape? What's up here?
Looks like my brown butt.
How you doubt that?
Okay, next.
Safety precaution. We have just killed ourselves. There we go. And then
Put
we
some
gotta get
of
some
that.
soap. Oh yeah, look at that dressing. There we go. Let's put the cup on there. Put this in the microwave for 5 minutes.
Wait, we forgot stuff.
I'll go open the microwave.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. How's it coming over here? Oh, nice mini wheats. Let's get this cup out of there. Oh no. There we go. Let's put this in the sink. Dishwasher, get over here. Perfect. Let's
Where's
get
that
this in the
spoon?
microwave. And whoops! We'll be back after these messages. Kitchen and can you press that one? Start. And we just put our masterpiece in the oven and we scooped it off the floor.
Yes.
You did not hear that.
We scooped it off.
Okay, here we go. You ready for this?
Yeah.
I know, right? Oh, it's done. And we get a bag of green beans. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, that's a beautiful bag. Let's
Beer.
Let's send it to kids in Africa.
Africa kids need this.
Oops.
No, okay, now shut the no, no beer. No beer. No, the kids do not need beer. All right, pick it up and follow me. There's only one thing left to do now.